Hi there, this is Rebecca Hanscom from the School of Ecstatic Movement. And today I wanted to share with you an exercise that I think is really, really important for the times that we're going through. And I call this exercise the internal SatNav or the internal GPS. And it's a way of discovering what is true for you, because there's so much information out there and there's so much misinformation out there, and we really need to know the truth of what's going on. So one of the ways that we can do this is by really tuning into our hearts, because our hearts are much more in tune with the vibration of something, whether it's the truth or not, because they're nearer to our throat chakras and where the truth lies. So what I'd like you to do is just shut your eyes and just relax your body, becoming aware of your breath. So breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And as you breathe in, feel yourself being energized. And as you breathe out, just letting go of any tension on the out breath. And again, breathing in and out. We're just going to do this a couple more times. So really focusing in on your breath. And notice how this breath can really start to center you, and then just take your breath all the way down to your feet. Feeling your feet connected to the ground if you're sitting down. And up through your legs into your hips and pelvis, and notice where you're sitting. Let your hips and pelvis sink into whatever you're sitting on just a little bit more. Allowing that breath to come up along the spine, out along the arms, all the way to your fingers. Relax your hands, relax your fingers. And then up into your shoulders, maybe roll out the shoulders, opening up the chest a little bit. Breathing into your scalp, your ears, eyes, nose, mouth, you all out the face. And just notice anywhere in your body that might be feeling a little bit tense. And just breathe into this tension. And as you breathe out, just let go, let your breath expand this tension. And let it dissipate. And then bring your focus just back into your breath, rising and falling in your belly or your chest. For a moment, if you want, you can just place your hands on your belly, on your chest. And feel that rise and fall. And just let your breath soothe you as it comes and goes, ebbing and flowing. And then you just can let your hands drop into your lap. And then bring your mind's eye, your imagination, however you perceive that, whether it's visually, kinesthetically, through smell, open up all your senses to imagine your favorite flower. What's your favourite flower in the whole world of flowers? There are millions of them. What's your favourite flower? And as you imagine that beautiful flower, I just want you to notice how your body is feeling. Notice that there is expansion inside your body. You feel more light, you feel more air. So just really notice how that feels inside you when you think about a beautiful flower, a natural phenomenon that is just pure beauty and truth. It just is. The flower just is. And now brings to your mind's eye a rabid dog. This dog's barking at you, and you're frightened that it's going to bite you. And it gets closer and closer, and you just feel terrified. And you want to run away, but you can't because you're too scared. Just imagine this dog barking at you with saliva hanging from his teeth. And then just feel into your body and notice how your body is feeling now. And what you'll feel is probably some sort of sense of contraction. You'll feel a weakness inside and a heaviness. And just notice those feelings. This is your body's internal GPS, your internal SatNav. It's your intuition, if you like, if you want to put it in a more esoteric term. And this intuition is always here available to you when you're listening to somebody, reading something, watching the TV, watching a video. You can tune into your body and notice whether this particular information is truth and natural to you or not. Because our bodies have this amazing ability to sense and perceive that is beyond the rationality of the mind. It's more instinctual. And because it's more instinctual, it's able to decipher the truth. So as we're doing this exercise, while we're in this state of calm, what I want you to do now is just place your hands upon your heart. Let's leave with a good vibration. And imagine a time when you felt joy. When you felt real joy in your life. Maybe it was laughter with friends, sharing some intimacy with somebody. Maybe it was just watching children play, whatever that was, when you really tuned into that feeling of joy. And just hold that close to your heart. And just remembering that with your internal SatNav, you're able to give yourself these beautiful feelings and to open your heart as well. Okay, and then when you're ready, take a stretch. Gently open your eyes, coming back into this space, and just remember you can use the internal SatNav for whatever you're doing. Put your phone down and use your own innate body wisdom to see what is truth and what is light and what is love and what is falsehood in this ever-changing world. Have a wonderful day. So much love. Mwah. And please remember to sign up to my YouTube channel for these little snippets of information of how to get through these times every day. Bye for now.